I like how I'm gonna do a makeup video and I'm wearing white. Anyways, so today's video is about makeup. So yeah, she asked me like, oh, could you like make a video about like makeup? And it's been like forever. She asked me this last year. Anywho, what you need to do a basic makeup, okay? First of all, foundation is number one thing you need. Oh, first you need some sort of moisturizer before you start off your makeup. I already put mine on, but it was just to show you guys what I used. Is my friend who gave this to me. It's called I don't know, it's the company Drunk Elephant, because it's super light and it hydrates my skin. And then you have concealer. You need to do contouring, and you can buy it separately, or you can be smart like me and buy the NYX Wonder Stick. It is wonderful. Okay, so it has two sides. There's like the light part, and then there's like the contouring part. It is good, really good. This you need, okay? And I'm gonna tell you how to apply everything every step of the way. And then you need mascara. He's so cute. It's like so tiny, you know? If you want to add this, it's not like obligated, but if you want to, you can add. I'm not like, I don't really know the brand. It's, oh well, it's Rimmel London. It's for my brows, because, well, it's something else inside, because I concocted my own little, you know, thingy, because my brows were like so thin and now they're thick and they're flawless. And like, girl, like, look at this. So Rimmel London is it's a gel styling bra for your eyebrows, okay? So it goes like in two different colors. So I don't think they have black, because that was the only like darkest shade I could find. So if you want to style a brow and like just give them like a little shade and like make them look full, use this. Okay, so, and then I have, because the girl who wanted this makeup video asked me, she specifically asked me how to put on eyeshadow. So I have my eyeshadow palette here. Yep, I had a smaller one that I wanted to use, but I couldn't find it, and I don't know why, because it's all in like one box. So I probably took it out and can't find it anymore. So this is the palette we're gonna use today, and I have that little shimmery eyeshadow thingy here that one of my friends gave me, and it's like so cute. Anyways, I don't remember which company is it from, because it's like gone now. And then you need brushes, a lot of brushes. You need lip gloss or a lipstick of some sort, something nude, so you don't like, you know, that MAC Dazzle Glass lipstick that I love so much because it's shimmery. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. Anyways, so let's start, I guess. So first of all, what you're gonna do, we're gonna apply foundation first, okay? I apply my foundation first. Some people apply their concealer first, but I don't know what it does to you, but it doesn't do anything because it hides the concealer and you need like to hide your, anyways. So what we're gonna do, some people put it on their hands first before putting on their face. It depends. If I'm using a sponge, I'm gonna put it on my arms first and then go directly to the skin. But we're not using a sponge. We're using my boo-boo, my babe, my love, the brush. So brush. When I'm using a brush, I don't really put it on my arms. I put it directly on my face. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and I am my mirror because I cannot see. So what I do, I put one dab here, one dab here, one dab here, one dab here, and I from the inner to the out, like come from in and out, and in, out, in, out. Got it? Got it. So we're gonna start. The first step is this. It's really simple, bro. Like, my baby sister could do it. The sponge, you'd be dabbing, okay? With a sponge, you dab. With this, you do not dab. It's a brush, you swoop, okay? So we're gonna do the swooping now, and I'm gonna stop talking. It looks good on camera, but it's just like in real life, it looks so ugly, so fugly. Okay. Okay, now it's concealer time and contouring time. So first of all, you're gonna use the concealer part. Is you put it under your eyes because this is where it's dark. Okay, so the thing is about concealer, what I've heard and what I've known to figure out is that you put concealer where the light hits the most. So when you hit the light, your face brightens, but not too much, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it everywhere the light hits. And where the light doesn't hit is where you're gonna put the contour, like the bronzer kind of type. No bronzer, yeah. So, where does the light hit? Where does it shine most on your face? I'm gonna let you like 5 seconds to figure this out. Okay, it's done. So, if you got it right, you can high five yourself. On your forehead, under your eyes because it's so dark here and we don't want it to be dark because you look tired if it's dark. On your nose. And I said there, and I put it here, and sometimes on top of my lips. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, real African. I could have played in Black Panther. Look at this makeup. I could have been the sister. I mean, look at this. Like, I'm funny, I know. You don't need to mention it. So, we're gonna take this baby again. And the same motion, the same thing. Cream face. Looks like there's nothing changed, but then we're gonna go and play with the eyebrow. Legit, you just brush your eyebrows with it. What you're gonna do, it's really easy. You just follow your eyebrows motion and that's it. Let me just close up for you right now. You see, it's like, I don't know. I like it when it's like that. You can do your eyeballs however you want. Eyeshadow. So, I have my palette here. Seriously, when you're doing eyeshadow, try to take as light of colors. Like, if you want to go for like a purple, try not to go for like a dark purple, okay? Try and go simple. So, this palette has various options, but I don't like using it because for me, it's like, it doesn't go with my skin tone. Like, some of them just don't go with my skin tone, and I don't like it. So we're gonna take some brush outs. Okay, it's like kind of dark, but not too dark. I don't see really that much of an effect, so I think I'm gonna put it with my fingers. I blend from the inner to the outer of my eyelid. So close up. You see, there's not here, and you can see it from here. So we're gonna continue. Okay. So then I'm gonna use my finger here for this because it's really delicate. It's a delicate process. Okay. So you're gonna take the shimmer and you're gonna put it on the inner corner here, right there. And I don't do like concealer and then put the, cause like it doesn't look natural. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna put that shimmerize here, right there, and voila. Shimmer, no shimmer, shimmer, no shimmer, no shimmer, shimmer. So mascara, you close the brush. Again, another one. DJ Khaled, another one. Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to be funny because this video looks so damn serious. We're not putting lashes. You're not there yet, okay? And I'm definitely not there yet. Well, I've put lashes before, but it's so complicated. It would take me like 20 minutes to put an eyelashes, okay? So are we done here? Yes, we are. And then, final touch, lip gloss. And then you're good to go. So this is me with the makeup. I didn't do anything extravagant because like I'm not good with makeup anymore. It's been so long. But I hope this video helped the little girl that was asking me. I said little girl, she's gonna kill me because I know her personally. So if you're watching this video, say little girl, here, makeup. If you have more questions or if I didn't help you at all, well, I'm sorry. This video took like 47 minutes to make. So that's how the makeup looks afterwards. And it kind of looks bomb. I like it. Don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I like it. So yeah. So you can see the eye thingy here. So different angle, different shade. Let's go here now. Oops. Door, catch the door. And then you get it. There you go. There it is. Oh, you look pretty. Like, ooh. Okay, seriously, if you have any other questions, just don't hesitate to text, DM, leave a comment below, because you know we're all about that vibe of helping and sharing ideas. If you have more questions at the end of this video, please do not hesitate. Oops. Do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. And for this purpose of this video, because it's my kind of, not my first, but kind of first since I started. So be patient. Oopsie daisy. I just noticed. Hi, it's me. I look ugly, but it's okay. I just noticed I didn't make an outro, but you know what I'm about to say anyways. So like, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, share this video, please share. Like seriously, I'm surprised that after like 5 months of me not being, well, no, 4 months, maybe 3 months of me not being there, like I can still have views. Like, you know, I'm still proud of myself and the stuff that I've been making to make my channel, you know, look a little bit more professional and like more slick, you know. I think I'm doing a good job anyways. So please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I cannot wait to see you next Wednesday. Bye, toodles.